Well, I got started with Jessica and Blinds Couture because we have this beautiful new home here in Colorado, and we were so excited to have our west-facing views of the mountains, not realizing once we got to the framing stage that we had this two-story great room that was just filled with sunlight, and I desperately needed a lighting control situation. So I worked with Jessica and Blinds Couture, and she came up with a wonderful solution with Hunter Douglas vignettes, in that there is a beautiful sheer that we can use all during the day, and then added a blackout function for when the sun got really strong in the afternoon and also at night for security. And from there, while Jessica was here, we started looking at the rest of the house, and we didn't necessarily need all the controls that we had with Hunter Douglas vignettes. And Jessica got me very excited about using black blinds throughout the house because we had the Toll Brothers kind of standard whitish walls, and it was an opportunity to really kind of make a statement while also staying neutral, which was really helpful to me because I love color and I love artwork. So I needed a neutral background that would also complement all of that. And Jessica helped me out with that. The process was really fun. First of all, Jessica's showroom is just filled with beautiful materials and fabrics, and she talked to us really about the functionality first and foremost in terms of how we needed to use the shades, how we were going to use the blinds, how we were going to use the draperies. And then we started looking at some materials, and she suggested a few things, and we brought them here to the house. It was still in the framing stage, so it was very raw. And then here were these beautiful fabrics, and it was actually an essential part of our solution was to actually come on site and see how all the materials looked and fit in the actual environment with the lighting conditions that we had. So it was the perfect setup. It was efficient, it was easy, but it was most of all fun. I highly recommend Blinds Couture and Jessica and her team. I've recommended them to everyone in our neighborhood. In fact, I insisted she put a sign in my yard so that people would know, because we're all peeking into each other's houses, in this new development. So I wanted people to know that Jessica and her team were a great solution.